2023 FRQ question for Calc AB and Calc BC. All right, let's get to it. So we have this graph of f prime, and f is defined on this interval. F of 2 is equal to 1. All right, we're going to look at x is equal to 6, and is this min or max? So when f prime is equal to 0, it's going to be a min or a max, but it has to be changing from increasing to decreasing. So is f prime changing signs? No, it is not. So it might be doing something like this. If technically it would be doing something like this, it'd be, that's what it'd be doing, because it's, nope, I'm slow. It is like this. Nope, let's try that again. So we have an increasing function, because it's positive. It's equal to 0, and then it keeps increasing. That is not this, because if it is doing, if it is equal to 0, but it's not changing from increasing to decreasing, that is a point of inflection. So I'm not going to write out all of this, but it is neither, because it is not changing from increasing to decreasing or decreasing to increasing. So it is a point of inflection, not a relative minimum or maximum. Next up, when is f concave down? So f is concave down, c down. F is concave down when f prime is negative. So when is f prime negative? It is negative from, when is f prime decreasing? F double prime is negative. So when is this decreasing? This is decreasing on this interval, and it's decreasing on this interval. So this is going to be negative 2 to 0, union 4 to 6, 4 to 6. All right, awesome. All right, so the first step for question C, for this find this limit, is try and use direct substitution. As x goes to 2, let's try direct substitution. So that would be 6 minus 3 times 2 is 6 over 4 minus 10 plus 6 is 0. So that's going to be 0 over 0. So we're going to say it, if we just did direct substitution, that would go to 0 over 0, which is not cool. We don't like 0 over 0. So I'm going to write LH that they know I use L'Hopital's rule. And so it's going to be 6 f prime of x, not f of 6, f prime of x minus 3 is 2x minus 5. And we're going to do the limit as x, no, as x goes to 2. And now we can start substituting in values, and we're just going to leave it at that. So this is supposed to be as x goes to 2. So as x goes to 2, what is f prime of x? That is going to be 1. No, it is f prime of x is 0 minus 3 over uh 4 minus 3. Oh, 4 minus 5. All right, now we want to find the absolute minimum on the interval. So we know that it's going to be at a critical point or an endpoint. So we're going to test f of -2. We're going to test -1, -1. We're going to test 2, and we're going to test 8. So at -2, it's going to be, we're going to just add these areas up. So this is, where does it start? F of 2. So this is negative, so we're going to add, uh, this is 1, 2, 1. So that's 3. And then we're going to subtract that. So this is just going to be 2. That is going to be f of -1 is 3. F of 2 is 0. And f of 8 is going to be greater than, because I'm just going to say this is greater than uh, f of 2. So I don't want to calculate this area. So I'm going to suggest, so of all of these critical points, it is f of 2. So what does it ask for? The absolute minimum value? 0. At x is equal to 2. That was a lot more straightforward than the other one.